Are you experiencing thymic involution?
What's that?
Basically, it's when your thymus decreases in size and slowly turns into fat. And it's located right about here above your heart. Also, the thymus can see about an 80% reduction in size by age 70. The thymus structure starts to change as early as 10 years of age. The two major structures of the thymus, the cortex and the medulla, slowly start producing less and less T cells as we age. So you might be wondering what the thymus actually does. It mostly takes newly formed white blood cells and creates naive T cells, which can later go on to make the body's diverse population of T cell subsets. These T cells are essential in cell and antibody immunity, inflammation, and immune regulation. And these are just some of the more specific processes the T cells can affect. As a result, there are higher levels of autoimmunities, cancers, and infections from thymic involution.
Who's at risk?
Actually, it's everyone, but especially the elderly or those who may be receiving a bone marrow or stem cell transplant.
How do you treat it?
Currently, there is no standard treatment. All doctors can do is recommend a healthy lifestyle and a balanced diet. However, there are stringent guidelines for maintaining proper hygiene and use of anti-pathogenic medicines as preventative care. Recent studies have been able to control thymic involution rates by altering the expression of a single FOXN1 gene. The only problem is that this research used transgenic mice and therefore cannot be utilized in a clinical application. That's why we'd like to introduce InfiniT, a gene delivery technique for stimulating thymus regeneration. First, we take a plasmid expression vector and add a FOXN1 gene insert. We then form a complex of negatively charged DNA plasmids with positively charged polyethylenamine. We then place the complex in a hyaluronic acid cofibrin hydrogel for sustained release around the thymus. The thymic cells become transfected and further involution is prevented or even reversed. So let's take a look at our improvements. We have reversed thymic involution, increased immune function, decreased the cytotoxicity of any charged complexes with our hydrogel reservoir, prolonged gene delivery, use of a non-viral vector, and that's essential because there's no chance of reverting back to a wild-type strain, which is important in someone with a compromised immune system.